Hi everyone, it's Candace and Logan here with Logan's Cliffside Adventures. We have a special unboxing edition of
KFC Mini Brands.
Yes, KFC Mini Brands.
And I'm so excited. My mom's so excited. And I hope we get the rare.
Yes. These are really special because we can't get them in Canada right now.
Yeah.
So Logan's Baba and Auntie and Mom went to the States on the weekend to Target and we picked up 6 KFC Mini Brand balls. So we'll open them today and show you what we have. Oh, you got it open easy. Good job. If you need help, let me know.
Got it. Think so? Okay, got it.
So I believe there are 20 to collect here.
Good.
Oh, thank
You
you.
like to feel them.
I do. Ooh, this one feels like a bucket.
Okay.
I'd really like to get a chicken bucket.
Oh! We got chicken wings.
Chicken wings. Awesome. I think that's a big bucket of chicken.
Mom?
Okay. Let's see what else we got. That's some sort of a burrito, I think.
Oh, yeah, that's probably the...
Is it a
chicken?
burrito?
I believe so. Yeah. Let's get this out there and use my hand in it long enough.
I sure can. Ah, this looks a lot like the burrito from Foodie Mini Brands too.
Yeah. If you click down our subscription, you can watch the other one.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, I don't know. There's maybe nuggets in this one?
Let's see. Oh, those look.
Feel like nuts?
Yeah. Nuts.
Nuggies?
No.
Are they our nuggies?
Let's see.
Oh, cute. I think it's popcorn chicken. Nope, nuggets. Very cute. Okay. Awesome.
No, we got the one.
So it doesn't look like there's any rare. There's iconics, legendary. There's gold legendaries. A gold legendary bucket.
We need to get the legendary now.
And gold legendary fries.
Cool.
Ultra rare. I guess that burrito was ultra rare. That's
The
cool.
burrito?
Mm-hmm.
We got an ultra rare. Okay, go ahead and show me one.
All
Even
right.
that we haven't out yet.
All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, maybe French fries?
Let's see. I think this is French fries. Yeah. Oh no.
What is it?
I think it's ramen. Ooh, looks good.
Oh, this is that popcorn chicken bowl.
Oh.
I think that's what it is. A little bowl with, I think, mashed potatoes and popcorn chicken on it. Oh, definitely a bucket.
Bucket. Yeah. Let's see, guys. What do you vote? Chicken or anything else?
I think there's a bucket that just has a lid on it. Oh, it's another bucket. Yay.
We got one with the lid.
Yeah, so it doesn't have the chicken sticking out. It's the one with the lid. That's really cool. All right, so we've got 5.
That one's keeping.
5. Good. We've got no duplicates so far.
That's good.
Awesome.
I'm just cracking open like this like a bit.
You're going to crack open the eggs?
Yeah.
Sounds
And
good.
then I'm opening it up.
Okay.
Go and get some more.
This one is another bowl, I think.
Yeah. Nope.
No?
Mix that way. Num num num.
Ooh, that's really cool. It's a little sandwich in a wrapper. That's really cute. That's a chicken?
Yeah. Ooh, this is
Oh, yeah, it's definitely a bucket of chicken.
Open it. Is I right?
Are you right? You are right. It is
Yay.
definitely a bucket of chicken. Yay! So that's a duplicate. We'll put him back there. Another bucket of chicken?
No, this is with the lid.
This one.
What the?
Whoops, that was definitely another bucket of chicken.
You didn't do that?
That's okay. We'll grab it later.
This one, let's clean up this one.
Yeah, of course we can. What is it?
Whoa, it's not a duplicate. Ooh, mashed.
It is coleslaw.
Here, it's out like. Oh, yes.
This one. Oh, this is the one we don't have. It's a plate. Oh, and nuggets.
I need need that. Can I have this one?
That is super cute.
Can I have this one?
We'll divide them after. Okay, Lovey? Let's show them to the camera.
Whoa. We got a bowl and some nuggies.
Yeah, plate and
These is
nuggies.
new. I'm putting that on my...
Okay. Ooh, it's a different kind of chicken.
Oh, that's cool.
So there's this one looks like spicy chicken or glazed chicken, and this is a different bucket. So that is
This is bucket.
amazing.
Here you go.
Okay, thank you, Logan. This one feels like something we don't have yet. Or maybe it could be the nugget. Oh, french fries!
Num num.
Yum, yum, yum,
Tasty.
french
I
fries.
want num num num. I want to put this with my nuggies.
Yeah, you can do that.
Go ahead. Take any
What
of
else do we got?
Plate.
Another plate?
Yep. That's for you.
All right, so we each get one. So another duplicate of the nuggets on a plate, which is great because I think we were going to have a fight over them.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
We like to joke.
We do. We love to collect these
And
things.
Feastables.
And Feastables.
I love Mr. Boo.
Okay, I think this is another one of those sandwiches in the wrapper.
I think so. You're right. I think it's a different kind.
A different sandwich?
Is there the other one?
Let's see.
No.
Nope, it's the same one. Great, so we each get one.
Yay, that's fun.
Oh, this one's another chicken bucket. Oh, it's a new one.
Can I have that one?
It's half
Whoa.
tenders. It must be that variety bucket. Half tenders and half
We're getting so much.
chicken pieces. Yeah, wow, this is really cool. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need 10 more for the full set.
So we need 10 more for the whole set?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah. Okay, let's go for this one.
Mm.
Hey!
Ah, another bucket of chicken, the one with the lid.
Wheels!
All right.
These are
So we'll just
pretty
put-
rare.
Yeah, we'll just put those in our duplicate pile.
Ooh.
What is this one?
I don't know.
I think it's a drink, maybe.
Okay.
You want to open it?
Yeah, I like drinks. They're really cool. No! Duplicate!
That's okay, because we each want one.
That's okay.
This is that chicken bowl.
Okay. Chicken
Okay,
bowl.
chicken bowl again. French fries.
Ooh, no, we can have two. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can do the package.
Let's get through the package. Okay, this is just a little guy. Ooh, it's mashed potatoes and gravy, but
You can have one.
it looks green. That's kind of odd
You know?
for mashed potatoes.
Drink.
Okay. Okay, yep, we've got an extra burrito here. Or not a burrito, a chicken wrap.
Let's try this one.
Okay.
Can I open it?
Yes, of course. This one. Oh, it's that little chicken pot pie.
Sorry.
That's okay.
What? It broke! That sucks. Now I need to buy a new one. This is so great.
It is. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, show the camera.
We got, look. Oh, I broke my pie. Can I have a remix? This is new. Okay, this one? Chicken bucket.
Chicken bucket?
Open it?
Sure.
Yep.
So we don't have any
No.
of the golden
Yeah.
anything yet. We got another one of this. You think it's a golden?
The rest, can I open this one?
Yes.
Oh, dupli. Oh, you can have that one.
Oh, yep. Looks like we've got 2 coleslaws here.
Let's see. Can I open this one?
Okay, just one sec. I just need to take an inventory here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 out of 20. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more left. So
Okay,
that's open. 7. So let's see how it goes. Oh, no, we've got, these are all open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Another burrito.
Okay.
Get box for that.
This one
We have a lot
feels
of
like a
burritos.
new one. Oh, no, it's another one of those chicken sandwiches.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
It smells like KFC.
Fries. I love KFC.
Oh, they're all chicken nuggets.
They're all chicken buckets.
That's a scam.
All right, well, let's open them up. We've got another variety bucket.
Okay.
And we've
Variety
got...
Variety bucket.
Variety bucket,
Yeah,
okay.
that's a good load.
Well, let's see what we got, Logan.
Okay. I like the pie.
So we've got, oh, these say under the rare. I think it is the maybe saucy
Yeah, because
chicken bucket. I'm not really sure what that is.
Look, we just got a new rare one.
Yes, and then the chicken bucket that has the lid on it,
What?
that's also on there.
It's so much rare.
And then we've got the coleslaw and the potatoes and gravy.
Look, we got those.
The common is the regular chicken bucket, the variety chicken bucket, the chicken sandwich, and then the chicken pot pie.
Those are hard to find.
Indeed.
But
The legendary is the golden chicken bucket and the golden fries. We didn't get any legendary. There's iconic, 3 of them. We didn't get those. Looks like the double down, the Pepsi with the pop coming out of it, and then it looks like some chicken nuggets with dip. Luxury. There are 2 different boxes of nuggets.
yeah, we got. Let's see. We got this.
Okay, so we just got 1 box. It looks like they have a bit different branding. And then, isn't that interesting? So in the ultra rare, that chicken wrap is there, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's very interesting. And then a pop, so a glass of Pepsi is ultra rare. Looks like some biscuits are ultra rare.
Look, we got 2 of those biscuits.
And then the little bowl, I think, with the mashed potatoes and nuggets or pumpkin chicken on there. That's ultra rare too. So we seem to get quite a bit of ultra rare.
Can you do this? No.
But we still are missing 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, half of them.
Whoa.
So I
five,
guess we're gonna have to wait until they come to Canada because we don't have a trip planned soon. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us. We hope you enjoyed time with us today. And if you like this, please like and subscribe.
Oh,